Hello and welcome to this math class. Here we have x to the power of x equal to 9, the value of x that satisfies this challenge here. Okay, we take our solution here. Okay, the first thing we're going to do here is to rewrite this part of the equation, or we first of all ask ourselves, is there any way we can express 9 in the form of a certain number raised to itself, because what we have here now, we're having x raised to itself here. So if we can get a number of such whereby that number will be raised to itself on the right hand side, then we can easily solve for our x. And so from here, we're going to have here x raised to the power of x. This is equal to, expressing this in the lowest b is going to give us 3 to the power of 2. Now, we just have to ask ourselves here, if there is any way we can manipulate this numerator, the exponent rather, to give us 3, so that we now have 3 raised to the power of 3, so give us our x equal to 3. But I tried that, it didn't work out. Okay, so what we just have to do here is just to ln both sides of the equation, or we take log to base 10. Okay, but because of the product log we evoke in the process, I want to ln both sides of the equation. So we are taking ln base e. Okay, so this is going to give us here the ln of our x further raised to the power of x equal to the ln of our 3 raised to the power of 2. So we apply the power law of logarithm, which says that if you have the ln of your a raised to the power of b, move this b back here to give you b times the ln of a. So we're going to move this x back here, move these 2 back here. So we're going to have x times the ln of our x equal to 2 times the ln of our 3. Right? Good. Now, so what we do next here is this. Remember, we want to evoke the Lambert W function, or the product log. Okay? Remember, the Lambert W function says that if you have your let's take your x, okay, let's take a this time. I normally use a star. So if you have a star, okay, times your e raised to the power of a star, then if you take the product log of it, this is going to give us a star. So we want to achieve something of this kind here. So how do we bring e into the system? Yeah, we have to rewrite our x here. X could be rewritten as our, if you have your e to the power of ln of a star, this is equals to a star. Okay, this is another nice formula we're going to use here. So we want to introduce that here. So this is going to give us our e to the power of ln of a star times the ln of star, of a star of x rather, is equals to your 2 remains in here, the log 3 remains in here. Remember this is what we want to apply. And so we have to check it out here. It's same thing here. So rewriting this to give us a clearer view of it, we have here the ln of x times our e raised to the ln of x. This is equals to 2 times the ln of our 3. Now look at this here. What we have at the base here now, ln of 3 is same thing we have at the exponent here. So Lambert W function can come into the system here. So apply the w to both sides. So we're going to have here the ln of our x times e raised to the ln of our x close bracket equal to, we equally take the w of our 2 there times the ln of our 3 close bracket. Okay, now from here, what we do here, remember we're going to come up here with just ln of x. So this side is going to give us here the ln of x is equal to the w of our 2 times the ln of our 3 close bracket. Mind you, we are looking for x, right? So we just have to exponentiate both sides of this equation. So introducing e, this is going to give us e raised to the power of ln of x. This is equal to, here we have e raised to the power of w. There 2 times the ln of R3 close bracket. This will give us x from the law we just look at. So this is going to give us x will now be equal to the e to the w bracket 2 times the ln of R3 close bracket. So this is the value of x that will satisfy this original equation. And if you input this into your Wolfram Alpha calculator, either the soft copy or the hard copy, then you get a numerator, a value that satisfies this equation. Okay, so this brings us to the end of today's class. Have a question? Drop it in the comment section. See you in our next class. Bye for now.